Hi, welcome to Let's Talk About Hair with Carla Hurtado. In today's video, we are going to demonstrate how to clean a lace hair unit using a fantastic tool, the lace cleaning gun. I get a lot of questions on how to use the gun, or I've used the gun and I actually ripped the base. I don't like using, I'm afraid of the gun. So we are going to demonstrate how easy it is to use this fantastic tool in order to save you time and of course money. I'm here with Baha Awadi, the educator for Hair Visions International, in his salon, Image First Hair Salon Spa in Boynton Beach. And stay tuned because every hair replacement studio should own one of these guns. And by the way, this video is only for hair replacement professionals. Thank you.
Hi Karen, hope all is well with you and the staff and your family. This is how we clean a lace unit, and we do the cleanup first of the base. You see in here I have adhesive in the base, so I'm going to try to roll this adhesive off first as much as I can. The main reason why we use the lace gun is that if there is adhesive embedded between the hair and the base, so wherever adhesive in top of the base, that goes out manually just like so. So push everything to the center, never push it to the hair. Go in circular motion, the direction. If you see my fingers, they're going straight turn to the center, because I don't want the adhesive to go into the hair. And if the adhesive goes to the hair, then you're gonna have to take it out and it will be messy, and sometimes you pull hair out too. So here we are, and all the adhesive rolling really nicely, except I see some embedded in here in the front, and that where the lace gun come in place. Otherwise, if there is no adhesive attached to the between the base and the hair, then there is no reason to use the lace gun, but a lot of time you do need to do that. Anyway, this is a repeat motion, so we're gonna move forward. After a few minutes, you see there's oils in the towel, so you're gonna have to remove that area because start to slip. If you see there's marks in here, you see how the marks are? Comparing, there's no marks in here, so I'm gonna go in here where there's no marks of oil, because when you push it with the towel, it becomes slippery if there's oil. There is no grip. So when you're using the lace gun, the first thing you need to do is adjust the pressure. So here's the pressure adjustment valve. So this way is stronger, here it's weak. And you always want to use only distilled water in here. So I'm gonna adjust my gun to the lowest setting a bit more. So it give you a nice stream where you could put your hand as about a foot far away. You cannot get it any closer. You get it any closer, it's gonna start to hurt because of the pressure. Where if you see in here, much stronger stream, that will rip the knots of the hair. So the lowest setting, a little bit less. That's the gun. What you need to do is that have a strainer, like so. So you could hold the hair unit into the strainer. You place the hair unit, and I see the embedded adhesive is right in here in the front hairline mainly. If you see the dots, there's white dots, that's the adhesive. So first thing I'm gonna do is take my amber solvent and spray what I feel there is adhesive is still embedded between the base and the hair. After I spray the amber solvent, I'm gonna work it through, so make sure it's going through the base. Then I will take my Easy Cleanse. After a few times going through, rubbing that, take the Easy Cleanse and apply the Easy Cleanse right in top. of the amber solvent. So what you want to avoid using is that spinning motion. You will tangle the hair. So always make sure you lift the unit and turn it around to have control of the hair unit. After you have applied the Easy Cleanse on top of the amber, now go on top of the hair in the hair side and just comb. Make sure that the hair is detangled, so when you shoot with the gun, it will flow freely. Now I'm going to take my gun and start from the inside, work from the inside to the outside. So here we are. And if I find a resistant area, you will see me pushing, getting closer, because the closer I get, the more pressure there is. I start with low pressure, and if it's working, great. If it's not, I get closer. So here we are. Now that you have done all this work, you put your novel in top, work it through in circular motion. Go again, comb. Now rinse with warm to hot water. Now if you see in here, this adhesive, you see this adhesive right in here? It crumpled, and you could but if there is no adhesive anymore in the base, then you are good. If you have more adhesive still resistant, spray the amber solvent, Easy Cleanse on top, shoot it with the lace gun, and then rinse it out with the warm water and your novel and comb it through. But right now I don't have any more adhesive. The only adhesive I have is in the hair, which is no big deal. What do you do at that point? You take your novel through the base again in here, just like so, and then comb all this adhesive that is through the hair and rinse it out. And that's how you clean a lace unit. Bye bye, and say hello to the whole staff.